What is an SRT file? By 3Play Media. SRT is one of the most common file formats for captions and subtitles and includes 4 primary components. First, the caption frame sequence number. Second, the beginning and ending timecodes, which dictate when the caption frame will appear on screen. Third, the caption text itself. And finally, a blank line indicating the beginning of a new sequence. Timecodes should always be written in the format hours, minutes, seconds, milliseconds, with a 2# arrow between beginning and end. Like this. This properly formatted timecode sequence shows a caption frame that would appear on screen between 220 milliseconds to 1 minute, 2 seconds, and 200 milliseconds. Although the name originated from the software Subrip Subtitle, SRTs are now so common you can write them yourself on your own computer. To learn how, check out the link in our bio or visit our website at www.3playmedia.com.